Alright, so now we have received this laptop. This is a Dell Inspiron. Laptop is not starting. I came back from holidays after 2 months and tried to use this, but it has been starting. Laptop has been plugged into power for throughout 2 months, but no one used that. Okay, so let's see if we can fix it. So this is a Inspiron 7570. Okay, that will explain a lot. I'm not going to use that. Okay. Could be just that, eh? Okay, let's use our own. This is a 45 watt. This is a 65 watt. Everyone has the light. I think that's all it is. Maybe not. There's a bit of hairs on it. Oh god, I hate it. Okay. So it turns off. Okay. Let's try the recharger. Same. Light comes on here but turns off. Okay, that's generally a serious problem because it's partially turning on but nothing further. Okay. Just pop the cover open so we can give them a proper quotation, like a rough estimate. See if they want to go ahead or not. Oh, this is like 2-in-1. Like the XPS. No, not XPS, the business model of Dell. No, not the business, sorry. mixing it up with the Latitude 2-in-1. Very similar interfaces, design. So easy to mix it up with that. So they've replaced the battery, SSD. Okay, this is a tough one to work with. No initial obvious damages. Disconnect that. Okay, let's try the Dell charger again without the battery. Press the power button 2 times, cycle the battery, here we go. Plug in the charger. Something's happening. Okay. Press the power button. And it's the same thing. Okay. Alright. I'll have to give a rough idea on the costing if they want to go ahead or not. We'll go from there. Alright, we'll continue the video later on when the client does come back to us. But this is an interesting problem. We just hope it's not a major issue, like a PCH or something crazy. Quick check on resistance. We have 1 ohm zero cable. That looks good. Doesn't look like a CPU at the moment. So this will have a high chance of repair most likely, but again depends if they want to go ahead. So that looks good. How about here? Did I check there? Yeah, should be alright. Let's see what they say. For now, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.